Okay, so today we have the Beijing desktop mosquito lamp by Baseus. This is on the box it says it's a bionic mosquito trap, an electric mosquito zapper with a little home logo. So we're going to unbox it and just check how much power it draws. It's powered by USB Type C, which is good. And as you can see, there's a little picture of what it looks like. So it is portable as well. Let's see what's in the box here. Okay. So on the top you have a Type C cable there to USB Type A. Put that aside. On the back here it says it weighs 430 grams, rated voltage 5 volts at 3.5 watts. Light source is 365 nanometers wavelength, purple light, and the cable is 1 meter long. There's a little cleaning brush for cleaning all the bugs off. You have a little social media card. Warranty card. Stickers. Product user manual. Information, features, product parameters, product component names, usage instructions. Okay, let's have a look at it. So Type C USB port here, power button here. It's not a clicky style switch, it is touch sensitive, I believe. And you would use the brush to clean off any bugs. So we'll just test the power here with a power bank. So 5 volts, and then we'll plug it in to the back here. And press the power switch. So it's on, it's drawing about 0.36 amps, so not much power at all. Okay, so press once to turn it on, and press and hold to turn it up or down, and then press again to turn off. That's it. 0.36 amps. Pretty well constructed, plastic. And we'll leave it at that for this review of the Baseus desktop mosquito lamp.